Governor Greg Abbott bans TikTok on state-issued devices, saying the China-owned app poses a threat to the security of the Texas government officials at least.
Yeah, if the country's not going to ban TikTok, then I guess the states will.
Well, in this case, it's for state-issued devices, which would be government officials and so forth. The public can continue to do their TikToking. I'm also calling for legislation to make the ban permanent and to broaden the ban. That's from Greg Abbott on Twitter. As I detail in my letter and press release, the threat posed by the CCP through TikTok is serious and must be stopped. Well, we've heard this before. It seems like a long time ago, but you remember Trump was having TikTok.
Mm-hmm.
He was talking about TikTok. And I believe at some point it was also government officials in Washington that had the app banned. And then there was the threat of the app becoming completely banned, like for the public. Mm-hmm. And then that never happened, obviously, or at least it was delayed. Abbott's move came on the same day that Republican Maryland Governor Larry Hogan issued a similar ban, also citing cybersecurity risks. Other states, including South Dakota, South Carolina, and Nebraska, instituted the same TikTok restrictions. So government devices, they seem to be like agreed upon. This is not the place we want TikTok. However, it hasn't really broadened beyond that, and maybe you'll have more states coming on board with their fears of TikTok, CCP infiltration, data mining,
all that stuff.
You know,
all the good stuff.
Whatever's going on there.
Yeah.